Good morning friends, welcome back to Panika Tutorials. In this video, I want to discuss one more numerical question on first come first serve scheduling algorithm. These kind of questions will help you to understand the concept in a better way. So I request everyone to watch the complete video for better understanding. First let me read out the question, then I will discuss the solution with you. Look at the question. Assume for process A, B, C, D with burst time as small a, small b, small c, small d respectively. The process arrived at 0 units of time in order, meaning is that process A has arrived first, then B, then C, then D. With no context switch delay involved, the average turnaround time using first come first serve scheduling algorithm is, they have given 4 options. We need to solve the question and find out what is the right answer. If you look at each point in the question, process A, process B, process C, process D has arrived at 0 units of time and the order of arrival is A, B, C, D. And the burst time is small a, small b, small c, small d units of time. Now we need to draw the Gantt chart to compute the average turnaround time. So to find the average turnaround time, first we need to computing the completion time of each process, then turnaround time, then we have to compute the average turnaround time. Now the Gantt chart will always start from 0 units of time. At 0 units of time, process A, process B, process C, process D has arrived to the ready state. And the order of arrival is first A, then B, then C, then D. As it is a first come first serve scheduling algorithm, the mode is non-preemptive scheduling algorithm and the criteria is arrival time. So as the process A has arrived first, it will be dispatched to the running state. Okay, it needs A units of burst time to complete its task. As it is a non-preemptive scheduling algorithm, it will be provided small a units of time, and at a units of time it will complete its task and it will go to the terminated state. Okay, process A has completed, it gone to the terminated state. Now process B will be scheduled to the running state. It will run for small b units of time at a plus b units, because it is 0 a units of time it was run. So it at a units of time process A has completed its task. Now process B needs b units of time. So A plus B, at a plus b units of time process B also completed its task, will go to the terminated state. Okay, now process C will be dispatched to the running state and it will need small c units of time. Okay, so A plus B plus C units of time, process C has completed its task, will go to the terminated state. Now process D is there in the ready state. It will be scheduled to the running state and it needs small d units of time. Okay, so process D will complete its task at A plus B plus C plus D units of time and it will go to the terminated state. So at A plus B plus C plus D units of time, all the 4 processes such as capital A, capital B, capital C, capital D has completed the task. Now we need to compute the completion time of each process. By looking at the Gantt chart, we can find the completion time. Process A has completed its small units of time. Process B, A plus B. Process C, A plus B plus C. Process D, A plus B plus C plus D. Okay, so now the purpose of Gantt chart has been completed. We can erase it. Okay, now we need to compute the turnaround time. Turnaround time is equal to completion time minus arrival time. Turnaround time is equal to completion time minus arrival time. Okay, with this knowledge we will compute the turnaround time of all the process. Okay, completion time minus arrival time, which will be A minus 0 is A plus B minus 0 will be A plus B, A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C plus D. So arrival time is 0. So completion time minus 0 will be completion time only. So all the 4 process turnaround time is equal to completion time. Now we need to compute the average turnaround time. The average turnaround time is sum of all the process arrival time, turnaround time by number of process. So A plus B plus A plus B plus C plus A plus B plus C plus D. So sum of all the 4 process turnaround time by the number of process, which is 4. So you need to compute how many times A is there. A here 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. So 4A plus B is how many times? 1, 2, 3 times. So 3B, how many times C? 2 times C and 1 time D by 4. So which is average turnaround time is 4A plus 3B plus 2C plus D by 4. Now look at the each option. Option A is saying 3A plus B plus C plus D, which is wrong. So option A is not correct. Option B is 3B plus 2C plus D. There was no point of A. So option B is also wrong. Look at option C, 4A, okay, 3B, okay. We got 2C but they have given C, so which is also wrong. Now look at option D, 4A, 3B, 2C plus D by 4. So option D is correct for this question. So the right answer for this question is option D. I hope you have understood how I solved this question. If you still have any doubts related to this question or related to the first come first serve scheduling algorithm, feel free to ask me in the comment section. I will try to clear your doubts as early as possible. Thank you for watching the complete video. Have a nice day.